What's good? What's hood? I'm back with another one. This is an announcement for the Car Club, Queens Classic Car Club in Queens. They having a car meetup, car show at June 2nd, 2024 at 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. at Roy Wilkins Park. They having a classic car show at Roy Wilkins Park on June 2nd, 2024, 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. at Roy Wilkins Park. Foch and Merrick, Jamaica, New York. The zip code is 11413. It's $20 if you want to enter your car. So definitely come check them out. Queens Classic Car Club. June 2nd, 2024 at 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. at Roy Wilkins Park. Come check them. I'd like to see you there. I will be up there. So if you want to see me up there, come check me. But definitely come check them. All right? Like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. And like I always say, I can show you better I can tell you. Peace out.